PACT Foundation is delighted to support this latest initiative at the St. Xavier's High School in Moira. We have just inaugurated the academic resource room at the hands of His Grace, the Auxiliary Bishop of Goa and Daman, Simiao, Purificacao, Fernandes. And this resource room is a place, is a safe haven for those students that require additional support for learning and development. It's also a space for especially abled children who require to come in here. It's on the ground floor. And this project is part of the Happy School project by PACT Foundation. PACT Foundation has been working towards the development of rural schools in Goa since 2023, and this project just adds to the work we have been doing to support the learning development and excellence and quality of education in the state of Goa. We're delighted to be supported here by the manager, Fr Alexander Pereira, and the headmistress, Madam Noreen Dias, as we build great facilities for our village schools. Glad to be in Moira and our village, the surroundings of Aldona, and we look forward to supporting many more schools in this private initiative through PACT Foundation.
Hi, my name is Richard Rodriguez. I am studying in Standard 10. I want to thank the PACT Foundation for building the new resource room at down. I was feeling difficulty to climb up to study up in the room. So I thank the PACT Foundation and Dr. Ashwin for building this new resource room at the down. Thank you everyone.
First, to His Grace, Auxiliary Bishop of Goa and Daman, Simiao, Purificacao, Fernandes, to the manager of the school and our parish priest, Fr Alexander Pereira, to our headmistress, Madam Noreen Dias, dear teachers and parents, and of course you young students, a very, very good morning again to everybody. I am so delighted to be here with all of you for the inauguration of this academic resource room. And what really struck me when I was sitting down there watching the program was the young talent that is performing so well. So first, again, I think we really loved the opening. And when I come to these programs, my first aim is, of course, besides all of it, is to see the talent which is doing things besides academics. So a round of applause for the opening dance, and to Ria for her monologue, please, again. That's a true appreciation from my side. And when I was looking here, if you see the vision and mission of the school, the vision states that it wants to provide a space where children feel respected and loved. And as PACT Foundation does several projects in Goa, just yesterday we were in another diocesan school. We work across the landscape of schools of Goa, especially in the rural area, because we believe that quality education is a right of every child. And while, of course, there are many city schools, our work at PACT Foundation in the last 2.5 years has been to develop the education ecosystem for those under-resourced school across the landscape. And I think your school was one of the first few schools we started working. And I think when I came to the school, I would like to tell His Grace that when we first came to the school, I still remember we hadn't done any projects in Goa. We had just had the idea for me to come and give back to the community. And very recently, I'm moving to Moira. So when we came around, we seen the school here, and we met Madam Noreen, who was so warm and welcoming. And Madam had a few desires for the school, especially for all of you, okay, the young people, because she wanted that you all get the best, okay. And then since then, we started working on various projects. We're happy to be back here, and I think our mission and vision at PACT Foundation resonates with your mission and vision as well, and the mission as well, both which intertwines together, is to provide an inclusive space. So the academic resource room is also for those students that want to use it for additional studies, and we have a great smart board there for you as well to use. My only advice to the young children here who are going to use this room is to please take care of it, because this has to be passed down to the next batch of students and our next batch after that. So please take care of it. We are here for you. And I would like to conclude with a quote, which is an African proverb actually, which says, if you want to go fast, you go alone. If you want to go further, you have, or to go a long distance, not just long distance, really make an impact, you have to go together. So we just don't want to go further, we want to go together with you for the development of our village here and also for the development of our young talent to be able to provide quality education, of course, using technology. So I'm really happy to be here with you to address all of you. And of course, I know the young kids are waiting out for a long time, so I've kept it very short and sweet. And we would really like to hear from His Grace on his thoughts for the school. And we really want to engage more with you and looking forward to many more projects. Thank you very much.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.